How to create sales page on Wix. In this video, I'm going to explain how to build a compelling sales page using Wix. Start by logging in and choosing a blank template or one under business and services. Or you can simply go into your website editor and then from here, just click on the Pages tab. You can find the Pages tab from the left side menu. Just click on this Pages and Menu button and then wait for it to load. And then from here, if you cannot see a sales page template here, you can simply just go and add a page that you want. Now from here, you can simply select the kind of page that you want, but since sales page is not available among these options, let's just choose blank page and then wait for it to load. It's going to automatically add a blank page to our website. Now once a blank page has been added, let's just rename this new page as sales page. As you can see, it has been renamed as sales page. And here you can see the blank page that we have. Now here you can do everything that you want to make your sales page gather more or look more presentable and professional. So here are some of my tips. The first one is to begin with a bold headline that clearly states your product or offer. The second one is to add a strong call to action button like buy now or get started. Next is to add product details like using bullet points to highlight features and benefits, including high quality images or demo videos to build trust. Next is you can insert testimonials or reviews using the testimonial section from Wix's editor. This social proof helps increase conversion. Next is to add pricing tables or clear payment options so customers understand exactly what they're paying for. Make sure your checkout process is smooth by integrating Wix payments or PayPal. And then finally, optimize your page for mobile using the Mobile Editor tab. You can find the Mobile Editor tab right here. You can just click on that and it will automatically switch to the Mobile Editor. Don't forget to set SEO tags and a clear URL. And that's how you create a sales page on Wix.